My name is DeAndria Wallace. I am currently the assistant principal at Bertha Knox Gilkey Pomoja Preparatory Academy at Cole, where I have served 5 years. I began as a teacher. I started off with my degrees in elementary education and psychology, and then I received my master's in educational leadership. I have my Ed Specialist degree and am currently in the doctoral program for my Ed Leadership doctorate. I have been in quite a few trainings over the years. My career here at St. Louis Public, I'm in my 24th year. I would give FLARES an overall rating of 100%. If you're going to be an educator or even a parent, it's essential that the two entities work together, the home, the school. I think FLARES is a great opportunity to learn strategies and skills to make that happen in a productive manner. FLARES was a great opportunity to be in a more intimate setting, and it was it was a safe space to talk. As an administrator, I appreciated being there because not only was I able to hear the views of some of the teachers who are practicing right now, I was able to walk away with some things in my mind of what I can put in place moving forward. It's research-based. Again, the facilitator was excellent, made the environment one that we could share, and I think get some strategies to move forward to help do what's best for children. I think the potential impact is great. It's huge because if you have a good set of classroom management skills, then I believe that more instruction, more teaching and learning can take place. If you're in a classroom that's a positive learning environment, that has policies, procedures, rules, consequences, all those things in place, that you're able to get to the content of what it is that we want our students to know. I'm a firm believer in the impact that it has had and will have moving forward, because students are able to focus if the classroom is managed well. Parents are part of the process, meaning they can ensure that students are doing their homework and reading every night, practicing those math skills. So I think it's a huge impact can be made. There were 3 other teachers in the class, and I have actually seen some of the things that they have done. One of the biggest things I've noticed probably is the way that they speak to students. It's more caring, firm, yet fair. So I can tell, and some of the things, just even in discussions around lesson planning and things like that, the teachers are very much aware of the importance of knowing the students' strengths and their challenges and having those relationships with the students, knowing that relationship building is important in order to get anything done.